Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. Checking out this Caperci 20-ounce reusable glass cup. This comes in a few different colors, milk tea, cream, light pink, mint green, rose red, and black. I picked the mint green because green is my favorite color. This is a glass cup, mold-resistant bamboo lid, multi-size straws, and BPA free. That's it for the box. All right, check out the straw there. We got a heavy duty, wow, metal straw with some straw cleaners. Very important to keep your straws clean. Also comes with the plastic straw here as well. And just happens to fit in there like perfectly. And we also have, let me get this out of here. It looks like a glass straw as well. That's pretty cool. It does not. Just gonna have to break it, set it free. Check that out. I've never seen a glass straw before. I don't think so. No, I haven't. So 3 different straws, and check this out. Oh wow, beautiful cup here. Has this nice silicone grip here. Gel in there. Look at that. Cup, tumbler. Good thickness on there, of course. BPA free. Has a silicone pad on the bottom. It's not going to slide around. Another one around the middle for good gripping. And then we have here our little bamboo top here with the silicone. Just form a nice seal, and then we have our top there also. So whatever straw that you would like to put in there, set it in there. And then of course these straws, garden straws, can be a little tough on you. So whichever straw that you want to choose. If you have the metal straw, then obviously it's a good idea. Put that nice soft part on there so it's not gonna, if you do bump it, it's not gonna knock one of your teeth out or whatever. So that's a great idea. Flexible too. You can just put it right in your mouth. I'm gonna wash this out real quick, give it a shot, see how useful it is here. All right, well, it's easy to wash out. Oh, I forgot my little straw cover. Okay, so let's try out the different straws here. Put my armrest down here a little bit. There we are. Okay. So we can just go with the glass straw here. Got my nice water in there and sip away. That is cool. Nice thing about the glass straw, if there's anything in there, if you're using juices or something, you're drinking it, maybe a little bit of, it's easier to see that you've got this completely cleaned out. We can try our metal straw here. Just put this right here on top, that silicone part, and then works great there. And then we have our, I don't even know what this is, like kind of a plastic straw here too. And you use that. So whether putting water in here, or if you want like a smoothie that you're drinking, the wider straw, that's kind of nice. And it comes with these. They're super easy to clean out, get everything out of there. But great little tumbler, nice size. Like on here, I like that. It's not going to fall around. This almost seals almost all the way when this thing closes. A little bit will drip out, but not much. So definitely, if you're like, if you have it like this, and it's not upside down, but it's just like this, pretty much nothing's going to spill out of there. So that's kind of cool. You could put like, since this is glass, you could put like a coffee in there or something like that, and put that in your cup holder or whatever. If you're driving, you can feel pretty confident that that's not going to splash out of there. So that's pretty sweet. Great little cup. I really like the color too. This mint green is pretty phenomenal. So thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day out there, and I'll catch you all next time.